Sharangshalo JMSC bini lahar ka sumungo phaithaniwo tuisinre hatini samung chitra tangnai bunido farok bai buiro hojaknai langma chonai Montreal kaipengni mangkutino sangrongshalo postmortem khaimani uyagulo nukuni bukhaktei tlang thangjakha teliamora sordu korkorini kerlong kamio jibio kok tripura bai party munuti sungjakpru bahaike party mung ungkha sawi kunarika bisla annababu kaipeng fia amjoni MLA Kalyani raibo haino phai nai phai thangka jibi saknai nokni kuthei nogo bui botharjaknai takhok Montreal kaipeng no.
This incident is happening from our village. They went for picketing and just they dropped on the way of Thui market those illegal Bengali people. So during that time they just throw with the stone and hit some other people. Within that my father is included there. So when he intend to run out, because of his old age, so he could not run away, and those Bengali people chase my father. When they chase him and they take to another way and they beat him and they even beat with stick and such and everything they are using that for beating him. So during that time he was getting much injured. So when he's getting injured and that the rest those who are staying along with him, so they ran away because of his old people. He could not run more away, so he just crawled down because of his getting beaten by the Bengali people there. And at the last moment when his party heard that it is happening, this incident is happening there at Thui Bazaar, and they come with bike to take to my father from Thui market. And at that time when they took from Thui market, they went for hospital at Ompi hospital, and in the Ompi hospital they cannot admit there, they cannot accept because it is too serious condition. So they refer here at GB hospital. So when they come and reach in the GB hospital Agartala, and he just after 30 minutes he already passed away. So during that time, those Bengali people there who are staying and who are blocking that roads, even they did not give any means, they are not fighting with them and such and such. So why we want is that why they are blocking the road and hit to the old people. So we want justice, and we want those illegal peoples to suffer or to gift in prison until that. And we want from our people, I request or our Tiprasha to help us as much as possible, and let we stand in united. So we will be in one platform. So this is one I want to note to our Tiprasha. And we want for this incident compensation also, and we want even a job also, because it is not a he is not going for his own works. He is going for the tribes and is going for the land. So we want these three main important things, that compensation and job from government and justice, and we want those illegal peoples to gift in prison until death.
Your name?
My name is Thandababu Kaipeng. I am from Kelrang village. I am his father. And more one thing is that during that incident, they called to police station at Teliamura, but no any response. And at the same time, they called for ambulance to take that injured person to my father. So there also there is no any response. And thereafter, when the private vehicle is coming, then they take to Ompi hospital. Even that they are in Ompi hospital, that report is not sent to the GB hospital. So we want clarification about this. So from this GB hospital till now we do not yet get any report from the postmortem.
Fia amjani MLA Kalyani raibo haino phai nai phai thangka jibi sak nai nok ni kuthino go bui butharjak nai takuk Montreal kaipeng no fia ba bui butharjak manose party mongo klai Thui Hwnwi Silsamung MLA Kalyani rai sangrong salo kok ত্রিপুরা no
গতকালকের ঘটনা সারা রাজ্যের পরিস্থিতির সঙ্গে তেলিয়ামুড়ও একটুখানি টেনশন ছিল তো যেটা জানতে পেরেছি যে উনি দুর্ঘটনাজনিত কারণে ওনার মৃত্যু হয়েছে যেটা আমার শোনা তো এখন পোস্টমর্টমের পরে কজ অফ ডেথটা কিভাবে তার মৃত্যু হয়েছে সেটা আমরা জানতে পারবো সুতরাং এই কারণেই আমরা অপেক্ষা করছি তার কজ অফ ডেথ তার পোস্টমর্টম রিপোর্টের উপর আমরা তার পরিবার পরিজনদের প্রতি আমাদের সমবেদনা আমি ব্যক্তিগতভাবে এই পরিবারের সঙ্গে ওনার ছেলের সঙ্গে আমার দীর্ঘদিনের সম্পর্ক রাজনৈতিকভাবে ওনার সঙ্গে ওনার টেলিফোন নাম্বার ওনার সঙ্গে আমার গতকাল থেকে আমার যোগাযোগ ছিল দুঃখের ব্যাপার আমরা অকালে এমন একটি প্রাণ চলে গেছে সরকার তার পাশে রয়েছে আমরা তার পাশে রয়েছি
সরকার থেকে কোনো সহযোগিতা
দেখুন আমি রাজ্য সরকারের সাথে মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর সাথে কথা বলবো কজ অফ ডেথটাকে বেরোক তার মৃত্যুর কারণটা বেরোনোর পর নিশ্চয়ই আমাদের সরকার দেখুন প্রত্যেকের পাশে রয়েছে এবং ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যে যে এই বার্তাটা আমাদের সরকার দিয়েছে দুর্ঘটনাজনিত মৃত্যু হোক যেভাবে হোক সরকার ওই পরিবারটিকে দেখেন সেটা তার জন্য সরকারের প্রতি আমাদের আস্থা রয়েছে
Yang postmortem paiman yagluno dofani bagai hani bagai tiprasarongni bagai langma sajolangnai Montreal kaipeng no Thui sindrayo talang thangjaka hinkeno amjani sai tiprasar lukorok khadum phunuklei khorang disalaika himboto khai talangkha mangke thino sanlaika butharjakmani party munutioi tiprasarok justice nayo hnui tongbaikha JMACAB ni adongrok bahaino